Okay, guys, so here you see me sitting in front of my computer, and I'm going to click on my program called Power Director. This was requested by Dolly Things TV, so I'm going to open the program up, and this is my Power Director 16. This is the program. I've been using this for maybe over maybe about 7 years. So I'm going to click on it and open it up. Sorry for the noises in the background. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the program Power Director 16. This is the whole interface, okay? So this is my timeline. This is where I put my pictures and my videos into the timeline. And this is the sidebar over here that allows me to use different features for whatever I want to use. And up here, this is the top area where, I can, save my projects that I click. Save the projects that I do. It's a lot to learn. I'm not going to go into depth. I just wanted to show you, or Dolly Things TV, just wanted to show you this is the program that I use. And I bought this program offline for $75. And there's also a website that you can go to. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the box below in case you're interested in getting this program. Okay? So let's just say I want to create a video using another software that I use, which is called Video Builder. So I'm going to close this down, and I'm going to go to Video Builder. So I have to click here, and I have to click on a plus sign. And here's my Video Builder. It's already here because it's a program that I normally use anyway. So I'm going to open this up. So this is Video Builder. This is the avatars. This is the software that I use with those talking avatars. I know sometimes some people find it to be a little creepy. They kind of don't like them, but I like them. That's the thing. I actually do like them. I just need to find a better voice. So the first thing that I do on this program is I go to my avatars, because you want to pick a character, right? Sorry if my voice sounds funny. So I'm going to click on it. And in this area, these are the different avatars here. I don't want to make this video too long because this type of video can be very long. But I'm just showing you just an idea how I do it. Let's just say you have premium, and then you have standard. Here's premium. I can click the first batch. And these are sort of like, some of them look regular, but then you have the tunes. You have the different tunes here. Or I could come out of that one. I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted by my two daughters. I did tell them that I'm recording, but they're making all this noise in the background. But let me just try to get to it. Let's just pick one. Let's just pick a character. Let's just say I pick her, right? And they each have a name, right? And her name is Jada. Let's just say I pick Jada. Once you pick her, you have to click next. The very next thing I have to do is I have to pick text to speech, or you could pick voice recorder. Voice recorder is when I can use my own voice, which I don't like to use in this program because it sounds a little funny, a little distorted. Okay, so I always use text to speech. So I'm going to click it. And then you have to find a voice that you want to use, right? So I'm not going to use Sally for her voice. The only thing with this program, sometimes the voices, they sound too robotic, right? And I guess that's why a lot of people kind of think they're a little creepy and don't really like them, but they really get the job done when you want to get videos done faster. I will continue to keep looking for other voices that sound a little more human-like. So I'm just going to do this one. Let's just say I'm trying to figure out which voice I want to use for Jada, because Jada is a black lady avatar, right? So you kind of want to pick a voice that may sound like a black woman. Let's try and let's see what Joanna sounds like. And I'm just going to type something in this gray box here that says enter text. And I'm just going to type something like, hello, my name is Tasha. So I'm going to click on
Hello, my
import
name is
speech.
Tasha.
So I don't like the way that voice sounds. It sounds really too robotic. So let's try another voice. Just testing out the voices. Let's try Sally. And each time you try a voice, you have to
Hello,
click
my
on
name is
import
Tasha.
speech.
Hello, my name is
Hmm.
Tasha.
Okay, that voice is okay. Then you have Ivy. Ivy sounds like a little young girl.
Hello,
Let's
my name is
import it so
Tasha.
you can hear the voice. And it's a little too fast. So nope, we won't use Ivy. Just that's Justin. Then you got Kendra. Let's hear
Hello, my
Kendra.
name is Tasha.
Too slow, right? So these voices don't sound the best, so I can understand why some
Hello, my
people kind
name
of
is
cringe
Tasha.
when they hear it. Don't like that one. The next one is Joey. I'll try all the girls. Let's try Amelia.
Hello, my name is Tasha.
Click on import speech. Nope. They need to fix these voices so that they can sound better.
Hello, my name is
Let's try
Tasha.
Violet.
Hello, my
Vivian.
name is Tasha.
Hmm. I mean, they're not the best. Sorry for all the
Hello,
noises
my
in the
name is
background if you
Tasha.
can hear them. I usually use Ray. The only thing with Video Builder that I don't like is that it doesn't allow you to adjust the voices. Like sometimes they speak a little too fast. Like I can add more to this text and listen to Ray voice and she speaks a little too fast and I be wanting to slow it down, but they don't give you that option. So I'll say, hello, my name is Tasha. My channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls, right? So let's listen to her. Let's listen to
Hello,
Ray
my name
speak,
is
import
Tasha. My
speech.
channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
I think her voice to me, I kind of like the best. Although she speaks a little fast, but I do like that voice the best. Let's check out another one. That's Ray. It's not that many left. Then okay, Andrew, Adrian. I don't know if Adrian's for a boy or a girl.
Hello,
Let's
my
just hear
name
it.
is Tasha.
Let's just
My
hear it.
channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
That's for right. That's a boy's name. Okay. And then you got Aria.
Hello, my
Let's
name is
hear it.
Tasha. My channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
Her voice is not too bad, but it's slow, so she sounds exactly like a robot. So that is one thing that I do. So we're gonna stick
Hello, my
with
name is
Ray. I'm
Tasha.
gonna keep
My
Ray.
channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
Okay, so when you're finished, I'm okay with this voice. I'll just go to next. And then here's the avatar that I'm using. So what I do is I bring her down into this timeline. Here she goes. Okay. Normally what I do, because I like the background to be white instead of black, I use a white. I'm gonna have to go put her white. You see right here, this is black. I want this to be white because when it's white, sometimes it's easier for me to put her into a different backdrop. Sometimes when I leave it black, it doesn't. For some reason, it doesn't work all that well. So I'm gonna go get the other a backdrop, which is white, and this is what I do. I go to media. I click on Disney because these are pictures that are already saved into this program, and I scroll down and I get my white background and I bring it into the timeline. Okay, now it's into the timeline. So what I have to do is make these two match. So I'm going to scroll the white background. I'm going to bring it all the way in so it matches the size. And what I got to do about this, I click on the white background and I'm going to right click and I'm going to resize it. I think I got it wrong. Oh no, there we go. So you see how I put the white background, put her in front of it, and you see these two black bars, one on the top, one on the bottom. So what I have to do is click on the white background and I'm going to resize it because I don't want the black showing. So I just move it over a little bit and I just, with that little arrow, I just pull it all the way up and I hit save. And now it's saved, okay? And
Hello,
you
my
can
name is
play it.
Tasha. My
And this is
channel
what it
name is
looks
Dolls
like.
Will Be Dolls.
Okay, I'm gonna remove that. You could play it again. Oops, my bad. I forget, excuse me, I forget you have to slide this over. I can play it again. Now, she might look a little too big, so if she's too big, I can resize her. I can click on her and I right click and I gotta click resize and move. If she's too big, I can just I can scale her down or pull her up, however, and I can slide her over, however you want to do it. And then you just hit save. And now it's saved, and the next thing I do is I go to create. And okay, so you're going to give it a file name. So I'm just going to call her Tasha, right? I'm just going to name her Tasha. This file name is Tasha. And the quality, I want it to be on high. I want it to have the best quality. I don't think I can change this. This is agency only, so I can't use 1080. I just put it at 720p. And it's an MP4 file, which is just a video. So I'm going to click create. And see, this video can turn out to be pretty long. So this is just one way how I use this type of program, how I use Video Builder. So once it's done, I'm going to download it. So now the file is here. These are all my different movies that I've created. So once I create it, here's the name, Tasha, and I'm going to download it. Now I have to download this, so download it. You'll see it in the left side, in the corner. And once it's downloaded, okay, it's done. I click back onto my Power Director program. And now I'm going to import it into Power Director, right? So I will click on this. There's a lot of steps. So you click on Import Media Files, and you go to your downloads to your left side. So I just downloaded that. So I'm going to click on Downloads. And here is download. Here it goes. I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to open. And there it goes. And this is what it looks like. I mean, it's
Hello,
just a
my
very
name is
short
Tasha.
file.
My channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
Right, now let's just say I want to give her a backdrop, right? I mean, sometimes I go into my pictures. I'm going to import a picture backdrop for her because maybe I don't want her to be in just a white background. So I click on pictures and I just find a backdrop, whatever, something. It could be something like this, right? Let's just click that and hit open and pull it down into the timeline. So as you can see, that picture is smaller than this file. So what I'm going to do is space it out. So it's because if I don't, it's going to have the black bars. Let me show you what I mean. Okay. I'm going to show you that it's going to have the black bars, and I don't like the black bars on the side. So I'm going to click on Designer, the arrow, click on Designer. drop it down, click on PIP Designer, which that means Picture in Picture Designer. Click it. And then click on Chroma Key. This is Power Director now. Chroma Key and the eyedropper, click it. And then click on the picture. Now, I didn't stretch this photo out in the backdrop, right? So as you can see the two black bars. Oops, I didn't mean to move the picture. You can see the two black bars on the side, one here and one here. I don't normally like that.
Hello, my name
Let's
is
just
Tasha.
hit play and see
my
what it
channel
looks
name
like.
is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
So the reason why I actually like to put the avatar into a white backdrop, because sometimes when I leave it in the black backdrop, it gives me a hard time, and sometimes I can't fix it. I can't make her look clear enough, or it's all this fuzzy stuff that's around the avatar and I don't like it. So if you don't like these black bars, although some people probably don't mind, I don't know, for some reason that drives me crazy when I see these black bars. So I'm gonna fix that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click OK. I like the way she looks into the backdrop. It looks just better instead of it being a plain white background. I like the way this looks, right? So I'm going to click on the picture to change the size. So I'm going to click on it, and all I got to do is pull it across to make it bigger, and pull it across again on the other side and make it bigger. And as far as the avatar, if I want to pull, I can pull her up a little bit if she seems too short. Let me see if I can pull her up. I can. You see her legs a little bit, but I'm going to leave it because I don't know if it's a cutoff. Yes, I have to leave it like that. And there we go. And I can just play it. And she has, she's in a nice backdrop. Let's open it.
Hello, my name is Tasha.
And let's
my
play.
channel name is Dolls Will Be Dolls.
Okay, so as you can see, it looks like she's floating. So what I'll do, I'll come out of this, I'll close it, and I'll click back onto her, and I'll just pull her down some. And then let's open it back up again, open it big.
Hello, my name is Tasha.
And then I'll play
my
it again,
channel name
hit the
is Dolls
play.
Will Be Dolls.
So this is how I do some of my videos when I'm using the video builder, or I have other few programs that I use that's very similar. Avatar Builder is another one that I use. So this is how I do it. I'm sorry. I hope I explained it well enough to where you can understand, but that is one way I do my videos when I'm not doing doll episodes, okay? And if I want to keep this program, if I want to keep this file, I just got to click on Produce. I click Produce. And of course, I got to name the file. So I click on these three dots right here. And I save it in video. See, there's steps. And some people don't like all this stuff. They feel like it's too much work. Okay, so this is video. So I'm going to name the file. I'm just going to call it Tasha Video, right? Always make name your file something real simple and easy so you know you can remember it. So I'm just going to save it as Tasha Video. And then I'm going to click Start. So it can render. It'll take no time to render. It's done. And once that is done, I click on Edit. And here's the file. Right? Now I saved it. And I could bring it into the timeline. And there you go.
Hello, my name is Tasha. My channel
you
name
can
is
play
Dolls
it.
Will Be Dolls.
Okay? Just a quick little demonstration. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here because I know this video is probably too long. Thank you so much for watching. That is just one way how I use Power Director 16 and I use Video Builder. Anyway, have a nice day. Take care, guys.